Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. I'm just kidding, imagine if I just ended every clip like that. Hey man, welcome. I'm in a hotel, as you guys can see, a motel. It's actually super sketchy. It's a quick story to it. So I told you a couple videos ago, I really want to start making, like, long story short, videos that I like again, you know what I mean? Which is going out in public and talking about things I like. Been doing the jewelry stuff a little too much. Still do it here and there, but this is like the fun stuff to me. So I thought I'd drive out of my city a few hours for a few days and just like get my mind clear and like do the videos I really want to do. Because as you guys already know, I'm banned from like Walmart, every pawn shop in my city, every mall, especially if they see me with a camera. If not, I can sometimes get away with going in there. I have to drive to this small ass town to get done what I need to get done, boys. I'm honestly pretty sure they don't even know what a camera is here, so this might be the perfect thing to do. Also, my face is real puffy. They got some fabric softener that just woke up like a damn chipmunk, boys. It was crazy. Anyway, we'll get into the video, but we'll do a little hotel room tour real quick, because I used to love traveling to different hotels, different cities, and like effing S up, you know what I mean? So we're gonna do that today. Quick room tour, boys. Glad to have you guys and someone to talk to. I just been sitting here being an idiot all day. So here's kind of the start of the place. Not living lavish at all. This is where I take off my shoes. You know what I mean? Actually, the reason I chose this place is because I don't really care about a nice hotel, but also across there we got a Pizza Hut, and then we got a Tim Hortons right there. It sold me right away. I got coffee and pizza. I'm good to go. Chair. That's where I keep my clothing. I honestly don't believe in drawers, bro. It's just gonna look like that in a drawer anyway, so you may as well take it out the drawer, leave it on a chair. You don't have to open up the thing. So I edit all day long. I chew gum all day long.
That's what I do all day long. That's what I do.
This is the side I edited on. I'm a little weird. I need to sleep on the other side or else it's like, still gotta feel like home, you know what I mean? You can't edit where you sleep. It's weird. Table. But this damn thing, here's something right here. I got this Ethernet cord because the Wi-Fi sucks here. And I put it in my computer and it won't come out, bro. So if you guys know how to get that out, let me know, man, because I keep tripping over this cord every time I walk through. This is where I sleep. You know, I eat Smarties all night long. This is what I got for doing my work yesterday. I charged my phone.
Taste of rain.
It's just real nice, man. It's a little small in here. It's what I eat for dinner.
We got ice cream, we got pizza, we got ice cream. This is our oven. This is where we smoke it up, you know?
And yeah, that's where I was just filming these. I carry ham wherever I go. I just like ham, bro. But it leaked all over, like the ham juice leaked all over my damn apples, so I gotta figure that out. This one's a casualty. It smelled way too much like ham to keep. That's pretty much it, boys. That's the room that we're working with. We got the washroom, nothing special.
This is the bathroom. You take a shower in. You wash my balls, you know? We got bubble bath here. Take a shower, take a bath.
Alright, so here's the goal for this video, boys. If you don't know about NFTs, I've been doing a lot more videos on them lately. My channel's not going to be fully NFTs, don't worry. But I want to start doing things I dig and also make content even if you don't know what they are. That's still funny. As you know, some NFTs, those are the pictures you buy. Some of them are selling for like millions and millions and millions of dollars. I wanted to like go to pawn shops and stuff and like other places and try to sell like fake NFTs to people, like just the picture. I thought it was a funny premise, so that's my goal. Alright, boys, so here's what we're working with. This is a CryptoPunk NFT that just got an offer of $9.5 million freaking dollars and the person declined. There's just a lot of money behind it. Don't ask questions. I got a bunch more screenshots, but they're not actually mine. We're gonna see if we can get money from the pawn shops for these images. Also, yes, if they do accept, I'm not gonna accept their offer. This is all for goofs, you know what I mean? I don't promote doing this. It's very scummy, actually. Anyway, let's get in the car and go troll this town. I'm actually kind of nervous, bro. Apparently, if you're an outsider here, because it's so small, like people don't really like you and they know you're not from here, so we'll see, man. Alright, so here's the thing, boys. I'm in a small town by myself, a small town that apparently likes to kick people's asses, and I don't have a guy with me. I usually got a bro with me that you know, in case something happens, I got backup, and apparently people get pissed off by this shit. So please leave a thumbs up, comment down below. Let's go, man. Let's try to sell these NFTs that I screenshotted for a lot of money. I'm scared, bro. No, I'm actually not. This gives me an adrenaline rush. I'll go all across Canada if I have to. Alright, boys, first I need my Tim Hortons coffee. Hey man, could I get a large iced coffee? Nothing in it. Hey there. Oh, I got the coffee, bro. Alright, do you accept NFTs? I got one on my phone, bro. It's worth a lot of money. It's an NFT. Nothing? You know, I'm just driving across Canada trying to sell my shit. you know? Not in a bad way, like not illegal things, but my NFTs, which could be construed as illegal. They're all in there just chatting about what the hell did you just say? See a lot of cops around, boys. I guess we're gonna see how this goes, huh? I usually get a lot of good clips from like drive-through people and stuff like that. So we're going to A&W, boys. It's a Canadian place. We'll see what's up. And it's locked. Drive-through only. Hey there, I'm doing a documentary across Canada of trying to sell my NFT. That's worth a lot of money. This was one of the stops on the way. I was wondering if I could come back there or something and do an interview. Okay. Oh, shoot. There's somebody in the... Okay, thanks, man. God damn it. Oh, what a cute dog. I'm doing a documentary right now. Can I film him being washed?
I'm just rinsing, so I'm almost done.
Okay, no, that's fine. I don't want to put him, you know, online or anything like that. What a cutie, getting washed in the pet store. I didn't know they had that here. Hey there, sir, do you work here?
No.
I'm doing it. Oh, okay. You look kind of like you might be wealthy. Do you know that?
No, God. I wish I were. I'm not wealthy, no.
Oh, okay. I saw your beautiful wife or whoever, and I just thought maybe, you know.
Hello.
Hey man, I'm around doing a documentary and I'm trying to sell cryptocurrency in form of NFTs and wondering if people want to buy. I don't know why I ended up here. I was in Australia at last and somebody said to come here. That's a nice guinea pig that you have on your chest.
Lovely, yeah.
I'm pretty broke right now. I don't really know what to do in life, so I've just been backpacking and traveling trying to sell this NFT. It's worth like 9 million if you want to pay it, but in all reality it's worth about 400
Just trying your luck.
cents.
I know I'm pretty busy at the moment, so.
You're British.
Yeah.
I was just in Britain doing the same documentary.
So you're just traveling around at the moment.
Yeah. Yeah, I literally have nothing to do.
Oh, you got to start somewhere.
I could trade for a parrot over there.
Well, I think we're going to pass today, but yeah.
Okay.
Thanks for stopping by.
Are you the manager?
I'm not, no.
Maybe I could talk to the manager?
I think they're in a meeting right now.
The one cleaning the dog?
No, they're in the back.
So the dog's not a manager?
No.
Okay.
That'll be the day, won't it?
Okay, thanks. I'm so glad I have this mask on to not break out in laughter. So the dog's not the manager? Hello, hello, hello. How are you guys doing? I am filming a documentary trying to sell people. You look older, sorry, but maybe you won't understand. You're a little younger. NFTs. You're giving me a dirty look, I'm sorry. Don't laugh at him. I just said something rude to him and you laughed at it. I'm trying to sell NFTs.
I don't pay attention to that stuff.
Oh.
That's way out of this area. Probably doesn't even know what that is. So
Oh, really?
we're not city people. We don't pay attention to that stuff.
Yeah, I'm not city either. Well, I am city, but I try to think of myself as quite country.
Yeah.
Do you sell spray paint? I think I'm trying to deck up my car to freak out my girlfriend.
Oh.
Do you sell like just red solid spray paint? She hates red. If I have any excuse to F with her, I'm going to. Do you mind if I keep this in the documentary? I'm still not going to have you on.
I have no idea.
You don't know if you care or not? Okay, I'm going to get this.
That'll be the cheapest one that we have.
Oh, it's going to piss her off. It's totally going to piss. Actually, not girlfriend, fiance.
Oh,
She's a
that's worse.
She's a bitch, but she's hot, so I have to keep her. She's got a lot more money than me, so. Okay, I'm gonna grab this. So no crypto or anything like that?
No.
Do you accept Bitcoin, or?
No.
Okay. Well, I just bought spray paint to commit to the bit. Alright, back to the mall, boys. I gotta piss. I got a question. I have to pee really bad. Do you got a washroom in your mall?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Just save me from wetting my pants, bro. I really appreciate it, man. I'm peeing while you're pooping. Are you guys talking about brain farts?
Yeah.
I have them all the time.
You have them too, eh?
Yeah, that's my life in general. You know?
Everybody's got that, eh?
Alright, boys, we're finally at the one pawn shop in this little town. We got a skate park over here, which is sick. I actually brought my board. I'm trying to get back into it, but let's go do this stuff, man. Try to sell this NFT. The whole town has been really nice. I thought people would get pissed, so now I gotta piss this guy off, unfortunately. This is not a pawn shop. There used to be one right there? Or?
He's gone.
Phone repair guy.
No.
Oh, word. So
There's that
Pond across.
block of it. Okay.
yeah, just go this way,
Yeah.
over the track and make a right and you'll see it.
Beautiful. Thank you so much, guys. Finally found the pawn shop. Let's go. So I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. I'm doing a documentary. Been in Africa, North America, stuff like that. I'm trying to sell one thing and one thing only to you. A non-fungible token, a CryptoPunk, you might know. It's a JPEG that I can email you if you need. It's worth $9 million online. We can trade it for the store. Why are you laughing? And unfortunately, that's where the party ends, boys. I just drove back to the city. I'm at the house right now. I was gonna stay there for longer. I couldn't because I think I burnt my bridges in that town. I will say, with that pawn shop footage, I didn't get the clip that I needed. Everyone was like really nice in that town, so I went balls deep to get people pissed off, and then the cops came. And nothing happened. It was like a quick talking to and stuff like that. But they called the cops, and I waited around for the footage. Thinking back now, I don't want to put out the footage that I have because I don't know what that's going to come to. I don't think I did anything wrong, but I don't know. So here we are now, back at home, boys. Solid trip, you know. Next time I'm going to pick a bigger town where, you know, it's not just 400 people that know some random walking around. It was a little stupid strategy on my end to go there. Anyway, appreciate you guys for watching. Merc in the game. Yo, leave a thumbs up down below, bro. I really appreciate it. I want to come back to doing this, so thank you. Shoot, I swore. Bye. Long drive, boys.